Is everything on?
Everything's rolling.
Oh shit! Okay.
Here we are.
Here we are again. Oh my goodness! Thank you for joining me.
Thanks for having us.
This is the second episode of what's it called?
Oh my original meal.
Sorry,
it's our show now.
Featuring Sara Kaufer and Anna Kaufer.
Guest star.
I have some really good recipes for you ladies. We're going back to school.
Great.
The first recipe is from 1926. It's the Jelke Good Luck Margarine cookbook. So it's one of those advertising things, pamphlets. The finest spread for bread. There's a website called the Oleo Air. He made.
I don't know what you're saying.
Oleo? Have you ever heard of Oleo?
Benvolio?
You've never heard of Oleo?
No, what's happening?
Okay, before margarine.
Spaghetti oleo?
Do you know what margarine is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I know what margarine
Okay.
is.
So
I was raised on that.
We can't believe it's not butter. More or less.
there's a great website that has the whole history of Oleo and margarine. If you ever have some spare time. And you want.
Yeah, I'll jot that one down for Saturday night.
It's very interesting, the food history behind it.
I feel like I should be taking notes.
We are going back to school, so.
That's true. So I picked this out especially for you ladies. It's sandwiches.
Yay!
Good.
For the school lunchbox. So let's make this sandwich and then we'll make a beverage to go with it. Okay?
I'm still confused by the things I'm not looking.
I'm looking. Crack it on camera. Yeah.
So bread for the sandwiches. I have plates for you. You might want to start drinking because.
Well, then don't move this away.
Yeah, you're right. There's two different kinds of bread in here. What the heck is going on?
What are you gonna eat?
I
Don't worry.
actually got
Toasted bread.
toasted gluten-free bread.
No.
Okay, so there are no measurements in this.
Yeah, it's a sandwich.
It's a.
Right?
We're making peanut butter sandwiches.
No!
Such a dick, man. All right, so we have the bread. I need the bowl and the spoon, and we have some peanut butter. And I got this kind of, natural butter because I figured back in the day, in 1926, they didn't have, like
Trans fats.
fats or that super creamy.
We should probably stir it, right? Maybe.
No, I don't want the oil mixed in. So,
What?
all right,
So
so
want a dry peanut butter?
it won't be dry.
Oh, because we're gonna put something sad and nasty in it.
Sad and nasty.
So go ahead and scoop some peanut butter in there.
Much.
I want enough for 3 sandwiches. So
I feel like that's kind of selective.
Yeah.
it
I
is.
think you need another spoon.
So like 3 of those.
Okay. Yeah.
See, it's nice and thick and
Okay, that's
old-fashioned.
3. Peanut butter.
The next part, it says moisten peanut butter with mayonnaise dressing.
No! No!
I swear.
No! I believe you,
That's what it is.
but I don't want to believe you.
Well, that's the recipe, and this is what you signed up for. So all it says is moisten peanut butter with mayonnaise dressing.
Maybe like this much.
Maybe.
No, you have to make it smooth. That's what the point of it is. Make it smooth. Come on.
This is so.
It's like
Oh.
it looks like
That's too much. That's too much. That's too much.
Okay.
Okay.
That much. That much. Okay. Let's see how it.
let's
Oh,
moisten.
look it.
Hey. Let's moisten this bad boy, shall we?
She moist. Or he moist, bad boy,
It
something.
has to be spreadable.
Is peanut butter not normally spreadable?
Well,
You see how I'm clutching
I
this?
would
like
imagine
we're
back in
doing?
1926 it was like hard as a
Not
rock.
clutch.
Like that's why I got this kind
Okay.
because it's dense.
Yeah, that's the kind of.
Well, yeah, I buy that one too, but I don't
Okay.
normally mix
See-
mayonnaise dressing. into-
Well, yeah. So all you're doing is adding oil to it.
And
eggs and vinegar. If I remember what's in there.
Well, what's it
which I
taste
don't
like?
think I do.
Is that thing you just licked?
No.
We're all related. It is.
Of course, we need margarine or oleo.
I thought that was the oil that we were adding.
No, there's even more.
Okay.
There's even more. I got this margarine, which says nowhere on it.
Oh,
Nowhere.
What year did you get this from?
We did the peanut butter part. Spread slices of bread with Jelke Good Luck Margarine. So there you go.
I thought we were putting.
No, I mean it's basically like putting it in the peanut butter.
Well, I thought if we did, it would just turn into like, I don't know, slime maybe.
Look at the color. Oops.
Look at the color.
There is no color.
It's the color.
I'm touching it.
It's the color of butter.
It's the. Wow. Okay, so
Really did a number on that, huh?
both
Yeah.
sides.
both sides.
Yeah, both.
My
both.
cholesterol.
I thought this was supposed to be better
than.
than. It's 53% vegetable oil spread, so it's better than butter. Zero trans fat.
Yeah.
Oh, I think you need to slather it really on there. Make it.
What?
Schmear?
Okay,
I'm starting off with the
so
fat.
do one side
Peanut butter.
peanut butter.
Okay.
All right, so this is like.
Don't yell.
All right, so.
I
all
think
right.
you make me.
Whoa, that's a lot of peanut. It's okay. It's okay.
It's all good. It's all gravy.
It's okay, man.
This would have been in somebody's school lunchbox.
I'm sorry.
So let's move the cutting board over and grab the lettuce.
She's thrilled with what she's doing.
I
to
am
us.
thrilled. I'm so happy I found this recipe.
Are you thrilled to eat it, or are you just?
Oh no. Shred the lettuce.
What do you need a knife for? Like, can I just rip it apart with my bare hands?
No, like like that. It's very sharp.
I'm not using that. I'd rather use my bare hands.
Why would you rather do it with bare hands?
When you say shred, I really just feel like I should.
Oh, maybe it's not shred. Maybe it's
I don't know. It's just like the animal instinct in me.
shredded lettuce. I don't know.
It's really sharp. Ah!
It's really sharp.
It is really sharp. Is this enough lettuce?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
That's enough lettuce. That's enough right there. Okay, so on this side, you put the
how are you
lettuce.
gonna be able to close it?
Peanut butter on top.
Cover one slice with peanut butter mixture, the other slice.
Mom loves vegetables.
That's the most
shredded lettuce.
upsetting part to you.
Go ahead.
Mother loves lettuce.
It wasn't enough lettuce.
All right,
There.
let's slap them together.
I've never been so sad about a sandwich before. It looks fine when it's close. No, it doesn't. What if it's so good?
What if it is,
What if
right?
it's so good. Oops.
Hey, really quick tip. If your drinks are too carbonated, you can just do a little shake.
No one has that problem other than you.
Okay, so the next thing we're making is a
mean
beverage.
I have to wait to. No, see, I saw that before. 300 ways to make eggs, and if there's the beverage out of that,
Egg smoothie.
300
because
ways.
there's something with lemons too.
She's gonna curdle them.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Are you more
I
scared
will
of the
eat-
sandwich? Oh.
Yeah.
They're gonna go perfect together. It's going to be perfect. You're gonna love it. So 300 ways to serve eggs. 1940 Culinary Arts Institute put this out.
This is from the CIA.
No. It's the CAI.
The CAI. I can't fucking read.
We're doubling this. We're making.
You're making me chew my wine out of nervousness.
Please don't leave.
What do you mean? Like the family?
Please. No, the kitchen. The kitchen. We're making egg lemonade.
No!
Yes, that's what we're making.
I'm that Aaron Paul screaming picture.
You're gonna love this.
Yes! I'm sweating.
Out of fear.
Yeah. Like cold sweat, fever sweat.
We need 2 eggs.
Do we?
We do. We need 2 eggs. So go ahead and crack those in there, and then they need to be like beaten up.
Can are high.
They are.
Yeah, how could they not be? She's betraying us on every level.
This is for you, Sarah. You get to do one.
Lucky me. Can't wait to cut my finger off.
We need 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. So we'll cut those in half.
Nobody
trying to
told me
get it
I
over
was
with.
cutting, okay? I don't even look at me. Nobody. Sam, turn away. Thank you.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we need, you need to juice that.
Sorry you got the hard job.
Sorry.
So what did I say, 6 tablespoons?
Can I add vodka to my egg lemonade?
You're gonna puke.
Yes. Is this gonna be raw egg lemonade?
I'm suddenly feeling very ill. I have to.
You will be feeling extremely ill.
Don't, guys, just don't, alright? I don't.
Let's move on, shall we? Shall we? Go ahead and put the egg in here. Do you need this?
Do you see what I'm
Nothing is better with egg lemonade than red wine.
Is the like acid gonna do weird things to the egg?
I have no idea. I have no idea whatsoever. So then combine chilled ingredients.
They're not chilled.
The eggs? No. Okay. And shake or beat thoroughly. So we need 6 tablespoons of sugar in here.
Don't mess me up, guys.
Okay.
Four.
11. 5. 6.
That was a big 6.
All right. Next thing, 6 tablespoons without the seeds of the lemon juice.
Only seeds.
Only seeds.
We're gonna have crunchy lemonade.
How can we filter this somehow? This is.
The seeds are going in.
Sorry.
You touched every molecule in there.
All right. What were we on?
1.
Aren't we on 2? You did 1.
Okay, I did 1. We're on 2.
Okay.
2.
Is that seed?
3. 4. 5. 7.
All right.
Great.
2 tablespoons crushed fruit. This is the only fruit I had.
How do you measure crushed fruit in tablespoons? What if I just pick 2 of them up and I mash them?
I'm saying fingers are better.
Fingers are.
You can do that, or I can put it in a little cup and you can.
You heard it here first.
Whatever you
folks.
want to do. 2 tablespoons crushed fruit.
This is what the CAI intended.
It did.
This
Yeah,
is their
This is a
vision.
skill.
Delicious.
Go for it.
It's crushed.
All right, last ingredient. Okay.
Where's the meniscus?
The what?
Show us the minute.
Yeah, let me see the meniscus.
I didn't realize this was a sparkling egg lemonade.
It is.
God, I feel. Oh, don't.
You're gonna shake
Don't
it?
shake
Gonna
it.
shake it.
It's gonna explode!
Well, that's what it says. Shake it.
Should we go outside? Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna give it a little shake.
Just a small one. Oh boy.
Oops.
No!
There we go. Don't you want the eggs all mixed in? You don't want chunks, chunks of
I
egg?
don't want eggs involved. I can see chunks of eggs.
Can you?
Maybe it's the fruit.
It's the fruit. Don't worry about it. It's a fruit. Now, we eat. So we have our gourmet margarine peanut butter mayo lettuce sandwich.
Heaven between 2 slices of bread.
There you go.
Whoa, whoa. Very
And our
good.
egg lemonade.
Oh, I'm not.
Can you do the degags, or are you really gonna puke if you do it?
I feel like we should eat the sandwich first.
No.
Hey, let's do a cheers.
And then drink it. That's how cheers works.
Yeah. Cheers.
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 Cheers. go.
It's fine.
I didn't do it. Ow! I can feel the egg.
That didn't even touch your lips.
I can definitely taste the egg. Don't lie. Don't say you can't taste the egg. So what are your...
Okay, it's not that bad.
Let's eat our sandwiches.
I keep wishing, like, for some reason, like, the margarine is making me think of fluff. I'm not scared of this one.
No? It's not bad.
Not right.
It's a dumb sandwich. It's just dumb. I'm having another bite. Are you eating it?
Nah. I think I'm good on this one.
Really?
I think the thing is, if I take another bite, I'm gonna want to drink something, and I really don't want to drink any more
Well.
of that.
I think they pair nicely.
This one is rough. Is it just gonna be rougher from here on out?
I have no idea. I'm still digging through my recipes. Thank you for joining me again.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
That's Nancy. This is Anna, and I'm Sarah. You're watching the original
Meal.
Oh, I guess. This sucked.